immunity starts in the kitchen. And I'm going to show you how I make my rainbow and superfood supercharged salad. The reason why I make a rainbow salad, and I recommend everybody does, is because different colors have different phytonutrients. For example, the color blue is associated with a polyphenol that is brain protective. There are many different phytonutrients that come in different plants and in different colors, and a high variation of nutrients from a variety of colors will give you the maximum chances of having your immune system strong. The way I start is I use raw vegetables and I cook some of them. So for example, zucchini, potato, which I don't even peel. Today I'm making a small salad only for me because I'm alone in the house, the kids are not here. I put these on my grill with a few asparagus, and I add a little ghee. This one is with turmeric. I leave those in the grill so that they become a little softer. Next thing, grated carrot. I grab a little broccoli and I just shave some of the tips, and I do the same thing with the cauliflower. I put a quarter of an avocado, a little bit of a green pepper, a little bit of orange pepper, a little bit of red pepper, and a little bit of yellow pepper. Some people may ask why pepper, since it's a nightshade and it's not included on the Clean program. Well, I am not doing the Clean program right now, and through reintroduction of these foods, I know that they completely agree with me, which is the same case as my following ingredient, which is heirloom tomatoes. And I put some red one and yellow one and green one. The reason why we want to make a rainbow salad and eat every color possible is because the variety and variability of species and colors in your diet will as well modulate the dark matter of your DNA. So then I put some greens, some kale, some lettuce. I like to use beetroot. Beetroot is incredible because it promotes the conversion of nitrates, because it's full of them, into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is really important as a regulator of the endothelial vasculature, and the vascular endothelium is the one that produces nitric oxide, which in turn gives you vasodilation and better perfusion and oxygenation. I love to use a little cabbage also to cover the purple color and whitish. I love radishes in my salad as well. And you may notice I leave the little roots and I leave the little stems, because those are also filled with nutrients. Zucchini, and the way I like to use my zucchini in my salad is by just grating some of it into it. Last but not least, cucumber, and I'm just going to put a little bit of it. And as if an amazing rainbow salad was not enough in the variety of fiber and antioxidants and other super nutrients like bioflavonoids, what I like to do is charge it even more. I like to use nutritional yeast and put a little bit of that which will give it a lot of B vitamins. I like to put some sesame seeds, so I get a little bit of a crunchy taste when I chew. I like to put some dulce granules. Dulce is really good as a detoxifier of heavy metals. I also do a little bit of spirulina for the same reason, on top of many other really incredible properties. And then this is my magic touch, because to make it really incredibly nutritious, in case we are missing any nutrient, any mineral, any carbohydrate, any important fat, what I use is Nourish. We have put together the most incredible line of fermented Ayurvedic herbs with turmeric and ashwagandha and moringa. These are all fermented, and the reason why is because we wanted them to be more bioavailable, be easier to digest, and also have a soothing and pro-healing effect on the gut. So I put some of this on my salad, you know, teaspoon, 1 or 2. So I also put a little bit of fermented turmeric and fermented ashwagandha, and I do this on all my salads to increase the nutritional value, and also because Nourish gives you tons of nutrients, so it is really like a multivitamin, but the most natural one. Turmeric calms your inflammatory system. Ashwagandha is also a very powerful adaptogenic, and these times are defined by the ability to adapt. A little bit here, a little bit there, you get enough to really cause an effect. I also put Bragg's aminos, a very important ingredient, which is extra virgin olive oil, and I am really generous with that. Then lemon, I'm gonna add also a few chia seeds, which help with hydration and lubrication of the intestines. I have also endives. And last but not least, sea salt. By now, my grill ingredients should be ready. You mix it well. And this is such incredibly healthy salad. Can't wait to eat it.